Do you want to fix TikTok unable to authorize try again problem? You can solve TikTok unable to authorize error with just a few simple steps. When you try to log into your TikTok account, you might encounter an error saying, unable to authorize, try again. This issue can occur for various reasons, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to fix it. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. To fix the unable to authorize, try again problem on TikTok. First, start by restarting your mobile device. Turn off your mobile device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your device restarts, open the TikTok app and try logging in again. If restarting doesn't fix the issue, now move to the next method. The second method is to update your TikTok app to the latest version. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android mobile. Now, search for TikTok, and update the app if an update is available. Wait until your app is updated to the latest version. After updating, relaunch the app, and check if the error is resolved or not. Look at unable to authorize error is not visible to me and TikTok is working perfectly now. If the issue is not solved for you, you need to clear the TikTok app data. Clearing the data resets the app settings, allowing you to log in without any errors. Once this is done, open TikTok and log in again. By following these tips, you can easily fix the unable to authorize, try again error and enjoy a seamless TikTok experience.